In this video I want to show you if POCO F4 has a fingerprint scanner. So in order to do this, let's open our settings. From here find passwords and security. Here's the Fingerprint Unlock, and we can set up the pattern in order to get the fingerprint. So that confirms it has a fingerprint scanner, but now we'll need to see where it is. So let's confirm the password. And the fingerprint scanner is right here on the right side of the phone where you normally unlock your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.